Hello friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to talk about the difference between traction, tractive effect and tractive force. Most of us are using these terms commonly, but some of us are not able to tell the variation between these three terms. So let's start. We will start from the term traction. Traction is defined as the ability of a tire to transmit the force to the ground. So how effectively a tire can do this, the tire will have more traction. So traction is the term only depends on tire, the ability of the tire to transmit the force which results in the motion of the road vehicle or the propulsion of the vehicle. So now we learned what is traction. Now I am going to talk about tractive effort. Tractive effort is the force that is required for the vehicle to overcome all the resistive forces that a car faces when the car is moving. So these forces includes air resistance, rolling resistance as well as the gradient resistance, and if the car is pulling something there will be drawbar resistance too. And at the time the tractive effort will be equal to all these resistance and the car will not be able to accelerate anymore, so the car will achieve its top speed. So if the tractive effort is equal to the resistance, there will be no more acceleration. That is why it is called effort, the effort produced by the powertrain to overcome the resistance. And tractive force is different from this. Tractive force is the total force produced by the powertrain of the vehicle which results in the motion of the vehicle. So tractive force will be always constant. But tractive effort varies with respect to the driving condition, resistance, all these kinds. If the resistance is more, tractive effort will be more. If we want to achieve more speed, we need to produce more effort for achieving that speed. So the tractive force is the total tractive effort, or the peak tractive effort is called as tractive force, and tractive effort is the force that is equal to the resistance that a car faces. Now let's summarize these three terms. Traction is the ability of the tire to transmit the force produced by the powertrain effectively to the road, and tractive effort is the force that is required to overcome all the resistance such as air resistance, rolling resistance, gradient resistance, or even drawbar pull. And tractive force is the maximum force a powertrain can develop, which results in the top speed of the vehicle when there is no additional resistance such as gradient resistance or drawbar pull. If you learned something new in this video, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I make a new upload. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.